mail dated 9/4/2019. The accused was not cooperating with the investigation. Full point. By order dated 2/12/2019, this got directed the original accused to appear before the investigating officer on 6/12/2019. It is reported that thereafter, it is reported by the London counsel accused that thereafter the investigation is complete and the charge sheet is already filed. Next step. London counsel acting on behalf of the state has stated that he has no further instruction in the matter on whether the charge sheet is filed or not. If that it may, we report the statement of the London counsel acting or accused that now the charge sheet is already filed. In that view of the matter, the present application of cancellation from bail stand disposal.
Please. My statement is on instructions.
You have glorified your statement now.
Please.
Yeah, port.
Wait, please, because pursuant to your lordship's order, because we appeared before the investigating officer on 4 dates, 6 to 7 hours per day, Milos, we've been interrogated as per your lordship. Whatever documents were asked of us, we've supplied all the documents, and that's how, Milos, the case stands.
Yes, my instructions are that she has been giving evasive answers. She has a protection from this honorable court because we have not.
What evasive means? You want the confession?
Evasive answers.
Then what do you want?
Like for example, she has.
जितने भी लोग लाइव हैं प्लीज शेयर कर दें इसे
Those monies are unaccounted for.
और क्या आप सभी के पास आवाज जा रही है क्लियर
Please
comment करें.
She has amounts in her account. Now what she says is that it is for a property which they have to sell and they've already received the amount. They've not sold any property.
You find out which is the source of the other properties. It is for the investigating agency to find out, no?
That's right now. For the investigating officer and the agency to find out the truth behind those entries. And she has FDs for more than 50 lakhs, which she initially did not disclose.
So,
I'll explain, Milos. There's one entry, this is lack of Milos accounting knowledge. There's one credit entry, there's one debit entry. They Milos add up the credit entry and the debit entry. They say there's just one transaction. How did you get this 25 lakhs? I give them an agreement to sell of my property with the buyer. They examine the buyer also. The buyer says, yes, this is how it comes to her account. Then there's a debit entry because the transaction did not fructify. The money goes out of the account. Now they add the 25 plus 25 and they say 50. That's the only allegation against her. And
total allegations are rupees 1.10 crores.
1.10, today it is 42 lakhs. 1.10, when they do their reconciliation of accounts, today in their latest audit report, they say 42 lakhs. In the latest audit report. I can show which is displayed on their website also. So today 1.10 is 42. This lady leaves the organization 5 months thereafter. She's given NOC and everything. And I have placed quarterly. 1 minute. Fourth quarterly when she was 8 months pregnant. She was called to the police station.
Where you will find the judge?
वहाँ कैसा दिख रहा है कर रहे हैं
She leaves on the pretext that she wants to shift to Roorkee with her husband and that they're buying a flat there. They've never shifted to Roorkee. They are staying in Delhi, and then she said that we are planning to buy a house near IIT Delhi.
How it has any relevance with the distributory bill?
I'm saying that everywhere when she's being interrogated, she's giving answers which are.
See, we don't know what kind of answers you want. Even if she confesses the whole thing, you can't. That is inadmissible.
Section 25 of the Evidence Act.
क्वालिटी ठीक हाँ क्वालिटी ठीक कर रहे हैं जल्दी से हमें लगता है ना कि ऐसा करना होगा
Proceeding for recovery.
Nothing. They've now realized, Milos, that all this allegation today is 42 lakhs of reconciliation.
We are not concerned.
We are not. That's not the point.
Whether 42 lakhs are as on today or
And I have filed a sexual harassment, Milos. My FIR is prior in time.
No, Mr. At the relevant time,
Yes.
He protected you because he delivered a
I'm great.
That was the
You're
reason
absolutely-
that made with us on that day.
Yes. I bow down.
Yes, sir.
About a month. Starting will be filed within 3 to 4 weeks.
आ गया ठीक है अब देखो तो जी इसको
There,
ठीक है ठीक है सीधा करिए इसको
keep your
In the meantime, you control the investigation and fight it. But you don't expect, Mr.
Because
that
perhaps
he may confess and give the answer whatever you like or reply. So next.
deeply of that.
Rajat, I'm praying for a week's accommodation. We've just received a counter affidavit. Day before.
अभी स्टार्ट हुआ नहीं है टेंशन
I'm
नहीं लेना
praying
What?
for a week's accommodation so that I
For
can
what?
for filing the rejoinder.
For rejoinder, and what is this? This is also an bail matter.
And
This is always bail. Ceremony. What has been stated in the counter which you need to traverse?
There are some other matters also pending.
yes,
They are agent to third January.
connected matter.
Connected
is
matter.
still- This may also be taken up with that. In the meanwhile, I'll file the rejoinder.
Upon 3/1/2013 2023, we heard which SFP criminal number 93/6 of 2021.
अब कैसा दिख रहा है
Essentially a dispute between two real brothers, my lord, because the father disowns the complainant. And in that grudge, my lord, there's a FIR, which is a cross FIR against my DDR entry. Now the investigation is complete, my lords. In the counter affidavit, they say I have joined the investigation also. But they claim that I should give the so-called weapon of offense, otherwise this will be deemed to be non-cooperation.
You have to find out counsel. You have seen your counter counseling. Then you say that he is not giving the showing us the weapon. And it is non-cooperation.
And 55, they say I have joined the investigation.
Lords, the Honorable Chandigarh High Court rejected the bail petition on the same ground because he was not cooperating. Lords, he was not giving proper answers to the.
No, we have seen your counter.
Yes, Lord.
You are
There is a letter has been circulated, but
So there is, earlier also the adjournment was granted, counsel.
earlier it was granted on the pretext that there was an argument on the behalf of the senior counsel that the matter that the car in which he has taken the lift, he is not in a.
He was the driver. He
No,
was the
no, Millards, he's not a driver, Millards.
That's what the.
Anyway, that was the allegation.
No, Millards, he was not a driver. Even as
Anyway, 23 kg ganja.
Millards,
Bolero.
no, Millards, Baleno, Millards, Baleno, not Bolero.
Are Bolero, mister.
Baleno,
What is there in the vehicle, mister?
No, Millards, Bolero is a different vehicle. Baleno is a
Are
different.
Bolero, counsel.
That is not. That's not relevant.
No, Millards, this is a matter in which Millards, he is taking the lift from the. I filed an affidavit in which Millards, if Millards.
That is your defense, mister. Affidavit is a defense.
Millards, this is what Millards, even as per the allegation in the FIR, Millards, even as per the charge sheet also. If Millards may see the page number 38, Millards.
Yes.
Page number 38 talks about. There is an information of one Tata Ace truck. Last third line, Millards. Third, fourth, fifth line, Millards.
सभी लोग एक बार
He
कमेंट
received
करें.
a reliable source information. Millards have it.
Yes.
हेलो.
He received a reliable source information that one
Mic
vehicle
वाले
having
यहाँ रहिए.
registration number this Tata is carrying huge
Mic
quantity
कहाँ
of contraband narcotics. This was proceeding towards Siliguri side from Kuchbihar.
सभी लोग
via
कमेंट
this.
करें.
Now, Millards, in the entire charge
Sound
sheet,
नहीं
No,
है.
there was actually not one. There were two vehicles.
Two vehicles.
Like,
One was
साउंड तो होना
one
चाहिए.
was truck. Absolutely right, Millards. One was truck. The information is of a truck.
थोड़ा देर में आ
Millards.
जाएगा साउंड.
I was not even a
So
driver.
you are a bonus.
No, Millards. I was not a driver of the
God
Baleno
bless
car,
the
Millards.
आशुतोष पांडे जी.
I was
जितने भी लोग हैं, please share कर दें अपने ग्रुप में. और rotate नहीं होने पा रहा है, थोड़ा सा आप लोग भी घुमा दीजिए. Sound-
substance has
हाँ,
been
sound
recovered from the Baleno car, Millards, not from me.
Sound
It's not in the
explosive.
active possession, Millards.
आप ही लोग रोटेट कर लीजिए, ठीक है? क्योंकि लाइव हियरिंग स्टार्ट है तो इधर उधर करना थोड़ा गड़बड़ है. सर पूरे झारखंड को ये तो दूसरा केस है. हाँ, थोड़ा देर में वो केस स्टार्ट होगा.
The petitioner Millards has undergone the maximum permissible sentence under the IPC as an under trial Millards.
11.
Millards, as per Millards, as 4 years and 1 month now, Millards.
Now
Yes, Millards. 4 years and 1 month, Millards. Millards. Take your lordship to the charge bearing order.
RG is framed only
Video
against
quality.
Yes, my lord.
because IPC.
Yes, Millards. Millards.
correct.
PC Act
No,
charge
my
is
lord.
not framed.
Millards, there was a supplementary charge sheet that was filed under the PC Act, but the Sessions Court did not take cognizance, and I was not even named in the supplementary charge
टेंशन नहीं
sheet.
लेना
That's
है,
what
बाद में हम रिकॉर्ड करके
If I may
इसको
just take
ओरिजिनल
your
डाल
lordship to
देंगे.
the charge framing
एक भी
order.
वीडियो में.
Only under 414, no?
Millards, 411, Millards.
What happened was
411.
In one week. Yes,
But what happened was when he filed the charge sheet, Millards, 409 also was there. But unfortunately,
इसका जो
charges are
मेन
not
वीडियो
framed
होगा बाद में
under
अपलोड कर दिया
409.
जाएगा
So, my
लाइव.
learned friend is right
जो भी
regarding
main video
436
होगा.
capital A. My only
एक ही
request is,
format में.
Millards, the High Court hasn't considered this aspect at all.
we are considering the council right.
So the only thing is, if
एक
the
मोबाइल
lordship
से
is
डायरेक्ट
trying
लाइव
to
नहीं किया
enlarge
जा
him on
सकता,
bail,
इसलिए
he
मोबाइल
is
पे
not a
मोबाइल तक
resident
करना पड़
of
रहा
the
है.
state of West Bengal. Our only apprehension is trial is going on.
अभी
We had to
दूसरा
actually
केस चल रहा
apprehend
है.
from Rajasthan. So now the
थोड़ी
problem
देर
is,
बाद
if your
स्टार्ट
lordship were
होगा.
to find it out the state during the pendency of trial,
टीजीटी, पीआरटी और पंचायत सचिव से संबंधित.
I would only urge your lordships, if your lordships are inclined to enlarge him on the principle of 436 capital A, yes, if your lordship can bind him down to the state of West Bengal during the pendency
Mr.
of,
Fernandez, please tell us today if he has served the maximum,
yes,
we'll bind him down, but where will he stay? What is
he
his
can report to the IO concerned once a week, once a
We will
fortnight.
say that agent will
थोड़ी देर में start हो
subject
जाएगी.
to condition that during the trial he may cooperate, correct, and shall remain present before the trial court agent will
Yes.
Yes.
on the every next day
Every day,
hearing,
yes, he should be
except
present.
specifically exempted by the court. So that will serve the purpose.
Once that happens, then what happens is, then they keep
Can
on
you
doing
tell
personal
where
exemptions.
you can just find out the other via media is where will you go? Where is
Yes.
your normal
Keep
residence?
in fact the IO administrator.
Where is that?
It's in Rajasthan, Millards.
So we can say that he will
If I may just also submit.
that he can just consider this. You may report to the concerned.
Well, he's already undergone the sentence. Even as a maximum sentence is.
We are trying to safeguard the interests of both parties.
मत ना
Please
लगे, छोड़ दे।
allow me to speak. So let the petitioner report to the concerned police stations every 2 weeks so that they are in the know that you have not run away or something.
Yes, sir.
That's all.
What is your address?
Yes. Millets, this is Ganga Nagar, Rajasthan. Millets. Jawahar Nagar, PA Jawahar Nagar is the concerned police station.
It is reported that by now the petitioner has already undergone 4 years and 1 month in custody. The petitioner is charged by the London trial court for the offences under section.
411 and 414. Millets.
और आप ही लिखा दीजिए ना.
I'm so sir.
हाँ?
I was just taking your lordship to the order. Millets.
आप ही
केस का
लिखा
और
दीजिए.
कितना समय बाद शुरू हो जाएगा? थोड़ी देर
What
बाद
is this impatience?
सुप्रीम कोर्ट है ना, समय लगेगा।
Don't be. Last time also I said some junior counsel. Don't so much enthusiasm.
Yes, sir.
It breaks our. You
सर,
see.
झारखंड नजर चैनल इज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर ऑल, स्पेशली थैंक्स टू यू। आपको भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जुड़ने के लिए।
For the offense under section
411, 414 and 120 BIPC. Under circumstances, petition is entitled to be released on bail.
जितने भी लोग हैं लाइव, आप सभी को जोहार हमारी तरफ से, झारखंड नजर टीम की तरफ से।
However, has submitted that this one is the resident of Rajasthan, Ganganagar, Rajasthan, and therefore it will be very difficult to secure his presence at the time of trial. The same can be taken care of by imposing suitable conditions by releasing the petition on bail. In view of the going for the reasons stated above, present appeal is allowed. By the appeal judgment in order passed by the High Court is set aside. Petitioner is ordered to be enlarged on bail in connection with FIR public criminal case, the case number 187 of 2018. Into bracket special case number 2 of 2018 pending before the London Judge Special Court Second Court at
आशुतोष पांडे जी, आप कहाँ से हैं? झारखंड में।
bracket complete on the terms and conditions which may be determined by the London Trial Court. Petitioner is
थोड़ा सा इंटरेक्ट कर लेते हैं आप सभी से
directed
जब तक केस स्टार्ट होता है हम लोग का, टीजीटी, पीआरटी और पंचायत सचिव का।
address which is reported to be Ganganagar, Rajasthan.
एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं और भी कोर्ट नंबर में क्या हाल है।
That with appellate shall mark his presence every 2 weeks before the nearest police station where he is residing in Ganganagar, Rajasthan. Petitioner is also appellant is also directed.
यहाँ पर देखिए कंट्रोल नंबर कोर्ट नंबर 5 में है, ठीक है।
For the trial court on
बाकी में
every
देख
date
लेते हैं
of
कहाँ कहाँ क्या चीज
on
चल
each
रहा
and
है।
every date of hearing, unless specifically exempted by the concerned trial court. In this present appeal is allowed.
क्या आप सभी को दिख रहा है? जितने भी लोग लाइव हैं कमेंट करें।
Magistrate tribal and Malas within 3 years. Punishment is 3 years, Malas. Subsequently, Malas 406 is added, Malas. We are husband and wife, Malas.
So husband can
No, Malas cannot. Malas, we are
husband can cause the injury on the head.
not at all.
With a high metal rod. High metal rod.
Not at all, Malas.
That is what exactly, Mister.
Malas, what I'm trying to say, Malas.
And how many stitches?
Malas, 18 stitches, Malas.
When 18 stitches, and you are asking for the bail.
Malas, what I'm trying to say, Malas, kindly issue a notice to my wife, Malas.
यहीं पर स्टार्ट होगा थोड़ी देर में, थोड़ा सा वेट कर लिया जाए।
to say, Malas, it is the matter is on the verge of settlement.
Maybe
जोहार
Mister, we
फाइनल
don't want
फाइटर
to
सोनी
see.
कुमारी वाले के लिए, लेकिन कोर्ट की सुनवाई
Your
का
wife
हम
may be generous,
पंचायत
Mister.
सचिव यूट्यूब पर ही
2 children, Malas, both are living with
चल रहा है, इसलिए राज्य के सभी छात्र
We,
में
at
किया
least
जाए।
we
जोहार
don't
फाइनल
tolerate
फाइटर,
this,
आपका
Mister, in
स्वागत
our
है।
society.
No, Malas.
That husband, Mister, give the injury, cause the
और
injury
आपको बहुत
on the
बहुत
head
धन्यवाद।
by the metal rod, correct?
with 18 stitches.
My lord,
See,
she has,
Aris, you got survived because you were
लाइव
lucky.
कराने में
my lord,
आपकी
she has
अहम
fell
भूमिका
down
है।
from the stairs, my lord.
Dismiss.
She has fell down, my lord. My lord, kindly consider.
Yes, well done. Oh,
This is what, my lord, this is what I've said.
what are you talking, Mister? Your defense was that he was in a drunken condition and therefore he caused the injury.
No, my lord.
Don't say this that he fell down.
My lord, this is there, my lord. The drunken injury, my lord, kindly have FIR.
Mister, by falling down, correct, this injury of 18 stitches would not
वाईफाई
be
से
there.
डायरेक्ट लाइव हो रहा है तो
अरे, have
हमें
some
लगता है
defense
क्वालिटी
which
सही
can be
होगा।
accepted.
FIR is on
वीडियो
page
क्वालिटी
22,
कैसी
my
है
lord.
कमेंट करें।
Sorry, counsel.
My lord, one line, my lord, kindly read it, my lord. Page 22, my lord. If my lords may kindly consider. One line, my lords. FIR, my lords. It is only of 2 lines, my lords. Kindly consider, my lords.
अरे, no, Mister, no court will grant you bail.
My lords, what the wife says is there was a fight, my lords. She doesn't talk about. My lord, she doesn't talks about the
जब
rod,
तक
my lord.
केस स्टार्ट होगा टीवी की सोनी कुमारी वाला तब तक
22, my
पूरी
lords.
तरह से
Doctor's opinion is there.
My lords, page 22
सारे
is the
प्रॉब्लम को
FIR, my
रिसॉल्व
lords.
कर दिया
Kindly
जाएगा।
see that, man.
Counsel, don't
हाँ,
press
अब
this.
बेस्ट हो जाएगा।
It's not a case.
21.
This is one of those rare notifications.
जितने भी लोग लाइव हैं प्लीज कमेंट करें और एक बार शेयर कर दें।
Section 4 and Section 6 notification.
ये देखिए
And one matter has already been allowed, not where they have not even challenged. This is 5,000, 50,000 acres. All the villages were Lord Balakram as early as Lord in 1988.
What was the relief sought by you?
Lord, I'm in.
जितने भी लोग लाइव हैं प्लीज कमेंट करें। आप लोग टीजीटी से हैं या फिर पंचायत सचिव से हैं?
No, award. Nobody has taken that money. It's live.
थोड़ा सा बात कर लेते हैं आपसे।
And the entire acquisition has not been set aside.
ठीक है। सूर्यकांत कुमार राम जी का कहना है ठीक है। चलिए ठीक है। बात करना है डायरेक्ट बात कर सकते हैं आपसे भी पंचायत सचिव टीजीटी पीआरटी से संबंधित। थोड़ी देर में स्टार्ट होने वाली है इसकी हियरिंग। अभी गुफ्तगू चल रहा है देख रहे हैं आप लोग और माइक ऑफ करके चलता है सब। मैं टीजीटी से हूँ रितेश सिंह, स्वागत है आपका। तो जब भी आपस में बात करते हैं लोग गुफ्तगू तो माइक ऑफ कर दिया जाता है सुप्रीम कोर्ट के द्वारा, जैसा कि आपने देखा।
Balakram, which is that Abhiram, all that.
आप सभी को बता दूं कि टीजीटी की तरफ से जितने भी नॉन ज्वाइन टीजीटी की तरफ से हैं उन सभी की तरफ से शायद हमें लगता है विकास सिंह लॉयर का नाम है, ये हैं। और पंचायत सचिव की तरफ से मिस्टर बालाजी हैं और ये हैं अजित कुमार सिन्हा जी। और गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कौन हो सकते हैं आप सही बताएं? कपिल सिब्बल आ जाएंगे या फिर नहीं आएंगे? पल्लवी लंगर तो शायद आएंगे। क्या लगता है आप सभी को कपिल सिब्बल जी आएंगे या फिर नहीं आएंगे? राघवेंद्र कुमार सेठ टीजीटी, स्वागत है आपका। कहाँ से हैं आप? झारखंड मतलब किस डिस्ट्रिक्ट से? अभी मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि थोड़ी देर में स्टार्ट होने वाली है। ठीक है, स्टार्ट हो जाएगा तो हम खुद को साइलेंट कर लेंगे। अभी थोड़ा सा आपसे बात करने का मौका है, बात कर लेते हैं। गिरिडीह से।
Very well, you can still say, even if you ignore 24-2, still you don't get away from the fact that 28 years later you're going to the court. There is no basis for.
आवाज आ रही है, प्लीज कमेंट करें।
Land is mutated in my name. I am in possession.
See, in Delhi anything happens. After.
Lords, I beg to appear in 21.1, my lord, if your lordship permit me. My apologies for not being in court, my lord. Please forgive me, my lord. May I say something in
क्या लगता है आप सभी को कपिल सिब्बल जी आएंगे या फिर नहीं आएंगे? रंजीत पांडे जी को तो लग रहा है कि आएंगे। टीजीटी के लिए कौन सा वकील साहब हैं? विकास सिंह का तो नाम सुन रहे थे।
Much earlier, Mr. This 2013 is not to reopen everything.
No, my lord, I'm not. I'm saying.
और भी नाम सुने थे, याद नहीं आ रहा है।
If your lordship don't mind, my lord.
We don't mind at all anything.
Lord, what happened?
I have not
What
finished.
happened was,
Mr. Kumar, can I just finish my argument and then Mr.
74 लोग लाइव हैं, आप सभी का स्वागत
I
है।
am
क्या
not relying
टोटल
upon
सीट
the
नहीं फिल
13
की जाएगी,
Act
ये
for
तो
the
आज ही
purpose
पता
of
चलेगा ना।
saying that my possession should be
अभी तक की स्थिति के
restored
अनुसार
or that I should not
सिर्फ
be
और सिर्फ
disturbed.
पिटिशनर
I
और
am saying that this
जितने भी ज्वाइन
acquisition
कर लिए हैं उन
itself,
सभी को
lot of 1888
बेनिफिट
as
मिला
early
है।
as in 88 it had
कपिल
been
साहब
quashed.
नहीं आएंगे, अच्छा
If that
did
had
you
been
go?
quashed.
Did
देखते
you
हैं।
go in Balakram?
So I was not in Balakram.
Therefore,
But just
Abhera-
the judgment in Balakram.
अच्छा, एक चीज
says
आप लोग
all the
बताइए,
yes,
villages.
we have to go step.
डेट आज बढ़ेगा या फिर नहीं
It is
बढ़ेगा, क्या
quashed.
लगता है आप सभी को?
But Abhay Ram limited Balakram.
That did not.
फिर लास्ट
Yes,
में हम
it said
बताएंगे
it
कि
is
बढ़ेगा या
not
फिर नहीं
in
बढ़ेगा।
REM. It said it is not in REM. If it says it is not in REM, it has limited. Number one, Abhay Ram is Supreme Court. Balakram is High Court.
बढ़ेगा, हमें भी लगता है बढ़ेगा।
The law declared
क्या
that
लगता है आज
Balakram
होगा?
is not in
साउंड
REM,
आ
so
रही
it
है,
doesn't
अच्छा।
inure in your favor. If it does not inure in your favor,
फुल चांसेस है कि डेट बढ़ने वाली है और जितने भी कैंडिडेट हैं उन सभी पर एक्स्ट्रा बोझ भी बढ़ने वाला है। कहने का मतलब फिर से फंडिंग करना होगा, चाहे आप नॉन ज्वाइन के हों चाहे पंचायत सचिव के हों। वकील तो मानते नहीं हैं, भले ही 5 मिनट बात करें लेकिन आपका फीस पूरा ले लेते हैं। पीएस का आज क्लियर हो जाएगा, कोई मतलब गारंटी नहीं है।
after that Gurdeep Singh Goban, I mean,
Why only those persons?
we have gone into this 4 times. This court has gone into it. Why should we?
पीएस
Yes, Mr. Kumar.
टीजीटी मिनिमम कट ऑफ,
Lord, if I may.
अरे मिनिमम कट ऑफ तो बहुत ही
167, Your Lordship, my Lord Justice Ravindra Bhatt has actually that Tarni matter.
स्टेट मेरिट
I
बन
don't
जाए
know
वही
which one.
काफी है।
I'm not seeing.
Right, it's on record, Lord.
Maybe.
167.
Maybe, Mr.
Maybe what? So maybe at that time it was pointed out or not pointed out. So
175, please see, Lord, 175.
नॉन ज्वाइन का वकील
Part
कौन
of the
है?
same notification.
yes,
P14. In 21.4.
विकास नाम सुने
It
हुए
is
हैं
also
नॉन
in,
ज्वाइन का,
not in RAM council, even if it is so.
No, this
जो कि
is
बहुत ही
order
senior
of
lawyer हैं।
17 and this is
Yes,
also writ
clear
petition
sound
filed
non
after
joint
20 years.
TGT के
This was
Maybe.
listed together. My writ was
हाँ,
listed with
बिल्कुल।
this together.
170.
175 P14.
That's not the impugned order.
दीपक
Right?
No,
कुमारी
that's
जी,
not the impugned order, but these were
TGT
all
All right.
candidates
So
हैं।
now I'm wiser.
Yes, council, Mr. Kumar.
Lordship, 2 points.
नहीं, अब पिटिशनर नहीं बन
Lord,
सकते
in
हैं।
1980, 11 villages
ऐसा होता तो
without
सभी लोग
any
पिटिशनर बन
description
जाते।
were sought to be acquired under Section 4. 1985, they reduced it, Lord, from 11 villages to 5931
पीएस
bigas.
का आज क्लियर होगा
Thereafter,
100%।
Lord,
अच्छा,
so far as the bigas, the award was
हो
made,
जाएगा तो
the
आपको पार्टी
entire
रहेगा मेरे तरफ
acquisition
से।
was quashed. After the quashing
बस
of the
positive आना
acquisition,
चाहिए।
Lord, I took this, purchased this land. Thereafter, Milord, my name was mutated. I carried in possession. And Milord, the same company, so far as the petitioner is concerned, the same company, Milord, as my friend was just pointing out, at 167 in my paper book 21.1 is a judgment of the High Court where a lordships relating to the same notification as your lordship then were, Milord, have quashed the notification and allowed me to continue with that land. And that order has become final. DDA did not challenge it.
That is on the 24th. That is on the basis of 24-2.
No, Milord, I am only respectfully submitting that the land, the purpose for which...
That is the one which Mr. Vikas Singh mentioned.
Yes, Milord, I am not saying, but it is
अब
my,
start हो गया,
Milord, I
ध्यान
was
दीजिएगा
the
सभी
same
लोग।
party there, Milord. I was the lead petitioner there. Milord, one more point, Milord, if your lordship don't mind.
Yes,
I am not relying on 2013 Act, Milord. What I am saying is, the purpose for which the land was acquired has not been achieved in 42 years. The land is lying vacant, Milord. There are photographs from the Google which I will show, Milord. My advocate.
ध्यान नहीं दे पा रहे हैं।
Mr. Kumar, so far as it is concerned, you cannot challenge after 30 years. That as the land, once the land acquisition proceedings are over, it is complete. Then that's an end of the matter.
The question is, Milord, that somebody should have come over and taken possession. Nobody
जितने भी
came
लोग
to
हैं प्लीज
take
शेयर कर
possession.
दीजिए।
I still continue. The land is lying vacant.
Illegal possession.
If the land is lying vacant, Milord, I should be able to, Milord.
You will say the same word of Mr. Vikas Singh. No case
Lordship,
is interviewed the
Lordship,
impugnated orders passed by the High Court. As sir, we are in complete review taken by the High Court. Both the established and dismissed.
Lordship, please.
Delay for law.
There is no delay in my matter, Milord.
In other matter.
21.1, there is no delay.
Okay.
Lordship, please.
सभी लोग फुल स्क्रीन कर लीजिए एक बार। अभी गुफ्तगू चल रहा है इसलिए साइलेंट है वहाँ कोर्ट में.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, this matter pertains to the import of tur dal, pigeon peas. Now, they had been issued RCs in the year 2017. The contract between the parties were otherwise intersay. By way of addendums, they kept apparently informing DGFT with respect to the changes in the conditions of the contract. The pertinent issue is whether that RC subsequent to the extension of the validity of the main
That
policy.
Para 105.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Does it impose a time limit?
Time limit, that is the point.
That is the important issue, right?
Your Lordship, may I just point out one thing? Because of the effect of the notification.
See, firstly, they placed it in the restrictive category.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Thereafter, then there was a relaxation. Then there was a further.
Yes.
There were two further relaxation, and then thereafter COVID intervened.
Correct.
So then
It was not the essence of so much.
May I just point out one thing, Your Lordship? With respect to this, once it is placed in the restricted category, what happens is that they are only allowed to import a certain amount for the entire.
There were two types. First, restrictive. The notification itself clarified who can. That is, if the LC is allowed or it's already shipped, but not high sea sales, etc. Then the second one was a further relaxation. What was that further relaxation? I think some further.
Advance payment is already made.
Advance
Yes,
payment
with
is.
respect to advance payment, Your Lordship,
Now-
you have
now-
actually not led evidence or even suggested that they had applied
Ultimately,
for.
only a shipment of 8,500.
Then they already imported the.
They've already
They
imported.
haven't imported all of it, Your Lordship.
All
They imported
imported.
2,000.
It's lying there.
The
See,
order is with respect to those bill of entry.
2,000 plus they said that if they import 8,000.
what happens is
you will
today
pay.
you did not allow, which means they have incurred demurrage also.
That is also denied by the High Court.
That too is denied.
Even demurrage is also denied by the High Court.
Order is of.
You are lucky enough.
I'll rest the case here, Your Lordship.
No case having heard London Council respective parties, no cases without it. No cases in which the appeal judgment did not pass by the High Court. This is system.
The SLP has similar SLP. 27.
अब शायद ये मैटर सॉल्व हो गया है तो इसके बाद
Sorry,
नया मैटर आएगा.
23. Sorry, yes. Sorry.
Lordship, there is a delay of 178 in refiling, Lordship, and again the common order, the
Landlord.
पीजीटी पीआरटी या पंचायत सचिव जितने भी कैंडिडेट हैं सबका नियुक्ति हो मिनिमम पे ना कि धोखे पे
by
जैसे कि
giving a liberty to
हाँ,
file
सही बात है.
review.
You are falling in which category?
We are the formal, Lordship.
Huh?
नजर बनाए रखे आप
That is
सभी
equal to page
There are
74.
2-3 categories, no?
There are four
जल्द ही
categories.
आने वाली है.
You are
पीजीटी पीआरटी
in which category?
पंचायत सचिव से संबंधित जो केस है.
Category 4, Lordship.
No, it's actually there. Yes, para 63, I think you fall in.
Category
आप लोग फुल स्क्रीन कर लीजिएगा.
So yours was 6083
Uh,
and 1-2 was taken by drawing Panchrama
2007.
in 2007. Correct? Indoor development is there.
free and fair, Lordship. Again, the same common order review, liberty to file review application.
No, review. What is the
What is the review? If possession was taken in 2007.
7? Correct. Okay. Taking into consideration this one is a case of so-and-so versus so-and-so. Reported in so-and-so. Indoor development. No cases of interest, they do judgment in order passed by that. That's a distant. What representation? Possession is taken over by drawing Panchrama. Chalo, right.
And Lordship,
Lord's Mr. Reddy is in some bereavement, he lost his elder brother. That's why, my lord, a letter has been circulated. But since it's a contempt, my lord, if your lordships feel that it has to be proceeded, your lordships.
Sorry?
Mr. Venkat Reddy, he's in bereavement, he lost his elder brother day before yesterday. That's why, my lord, a letter has been circulated. Since it's a contempt,
land had to be allotted to the workmen.
You were required to take instruction on.
That I have
They filed an affidavit.
So I filed an affidavit.
You have to hand over possession. Even
Affidavit has been filed.
plots are given.
Not yet. They're asking for 6 months and
No, 6 months denied, rejected.
Correct.
We said no on that day also.
That's right.
Sir, it's a question of 183 families.
Definitely.
They are waiting since many years.
The Lordship's may,
Order is judgment is confirmed.
Lordship's may grant some reasonable time.
Not reasonable time, sir. We grant you 4 weeks time.
Mr. Giri, this judgment is of 21 October.
But I understand. That's why.
And order is judgment is very clear and 183. See,
yeah.
we grant you 4 weeks time.
4 weeks.
No. Even we are not.
in fact they have developed land. There was a state.
It's 4 weeks time might be difficult.
Okay, then don't give. We are just sending it to jail.
No, Lord, I'm only praying, Lord, this.
No,
this
6 months is unreasonable.
Very well, but your Lordships may grant time up to 31/3.
No, sorry.
See the
Lord, I
judgment.
leave it to your Lordships, my Lord, I can.
But we have also
Making a request to your Lordships. Your Lordships feel that.
having heard the letter from the respective parties. And considering the request made by Shri V. Giri, Letter Council having the contemptors,
My Lord, only two and
we
only
grant further 4 weeks time to the contemptors to comply with our earlier judgment in order passed by the High Court. Put up on 1st January.
1st January.
Sorry, 2nd January.
Then it won't be 4 weeks.
It will be 4 weeks.
We are on 10th of December.
Then okay,
9th
no
of
difficulty. The 16th. 16th January.
Lord, I beg to appear only for the Kuda, that's the Karnataka
I-
Urban Development Authority. Therefore, if your Lordships kindly say, Lord, that they appear only on behalf of respondent 2.
Whoever has to comply with, they have to comply with.
No, my Lord, that will be done.
It is ultimately to be done by you.
Correct?
Ah,
No, I appear only for 2.
sorry.
25.
Notice.
One. Six also, madam. 24. But the possession is good.
Here the problem is
Madam.
that admittedly the possession is not taken because of the built-up area.
Madam.
Correct. At the same time, compensation was also not paid.
Madam.
So
This
that
would be a case where
we can.
My lord, may I submit? My lord, it may be.
You have admitted. No, where is the place of remand? Try to appreciate.
My lord.
Admitted facts that you did not take the possession because of the built-up area.
My lord, may I submit?
It's a residential complexes are there.
My lord, may I submit? My lord, this may be adjourned by a week. Why I am requesting, my lord? Some other council have filed it. She is in difficulty. Just requested me to be there.
No. But you can't say no.
My lord.
party that's not correct.
Not all the matters.
All the matters, my lord. My lord.
It's a very clear case.
My lord.
This is one of those few cases which is covered by.
Only one matter. Only last week we dismissed one matter on the very
My
ground.
lord, I am aware, my lord. I am aware.
In the facts and circumstances of the case and when.
My lord, but one aspect, if my lords may consider that the substantial portion of the land of the village is.
That is not the point. Point is so far as the admitted position that you did not take the possession.
But my lords have held it in many matters, including the Damini Vadwa, which we argued before, my lords. My lord, that if the substantial part of the village is taken, and only that Khasra is not taken, my lord, even then, my lord, it is difficult.
In the facts and circumstances of the case. And considering the fact that even as per the case of the appellant before the High Court, petitioner before the High Court, possession of 4 Biswas could not be taken due to built-up, and even the confession was not paid
कब नंबर
with
आएगा
respect
टीवी
to the 4 Biswas
थोड़ा
of
सा
the
वेट करना पड़ेगा
no cases
12 बजे के बाद शायद
below
संभव है
an order passed by the High Court. SLP stand district. And see another thing.
My lord.
Total 16 acre Biswas was there.
My lord.
Correct?
My lord.
There was an order to pay the compensation only 13 Biswas because you took the possession of 13. It is a specific order passed.
My lord.
That okay, the possession is not taken. Correct? They are Indian, therefore they are not entitled to the 4 Biswas compensation.
3.5 is
Ah.
In the connected matter, lordships have already issued notice and a stay has been granted. I'm praying that this matter be tagged along with the other two petitions.
Tag with SLP number 201090.
अब आ गए, देख रहे हैं आप सभी देख रहे हैं, बालाजी सर आ गए हैं, ध्यान दीजिएगा, बालाजी आ गए हैं। पंचायत से जो जितने भी कैंडिडेट से कमेंट करें,
I can pass orders to lordships.
What is this thing?
पंचायत सचिव कैंडिडेट कमेंट करें। बालाजी और जितने भी वकील हैं आ गए हैं। शांति बनाए रखना है, धक्का मुक्की नहीं करना है।
In this matter, sir, anybody is appealing?
Hello.
Lordship, there is a wakalat filed by the office.
Who is appealing?
बालाजी आप लोग को दिखे?
Today, I'm unaware. In the connected matters, they've entered the clearance.
No, in these matters, he has entered. Not of, yes.
प्लीज सभी लोग लाइक कर दे पहले, मात्र 24 लाइक है, 95 लोग लाइव हैं। और अपने अपने ग्रुप में शेयर कर दे ताकि सभी को पता चले कि जितने भी लोग फंडिंग किए हैं उन सभी के रिगार्डिंग वकील लोग क्या यहाँ पर तर्क रखते हैं। अब स्टार्ट होने वाला है महाभारत। 12 बजे से टाइमिंग है यही।
Made in the main order, not it appears not
कपिल सिब्बल जी नहीं नजर आ रहे।
consequences which are following now, not by one sentence in the last order. If I can have just 5 minutes.
We will not hear. Wednesday.
Better night. Fair enough. Very well.
Let it be.
Very well.
Lordships are keeping it on Wednesday, Milord.
Yes.
Complaints is filed, let copies be given.
Oh, next follow.
Yes.
Please, my lord. My lord's in 29 possession and
Notice.
for 9.1, my lord's possession could not be taken from the printer paper, but my lord may produce page number 21. My lords will please, my lords.
100 लोग लाइव हैं, आप सभी को हार्दिक अभिनंदन इस चैनल पर।
Area is 377 बीघा on 57,
और बेस्ट ऑफ लक सभी के लिए।
possession certificate is on 59,
जितने भी लोग हैं प्लीज लाइक कर दीजिए, मात्र 37 लाइक है। और बारह बजे से स्टार्ट होगी, धैर्य बनाए रखिएगा, मात्र 2 से 3 मिनट की बात है। दो से 3 मिनट के बाद बातचीत होने वाली है टीजीटी, पीआरटी और पंचायत सचिव से संबंधित। जितने भी ज्वाइंट कैंडिडेट्स हैं, जितने भी नॉन ज्वाइंट टीजीटी कैंडिडेट्स हैं, उन सभी के प्रति एक मिनट। ओह, लाइन कट गया। एक सेकेंड, मेन टाइम पर लाइट कट गया। जियो वाईफाई डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया है।
You join and file an application for implementation.
Kindly tag the matter.
No, tag Mr. Rao. No, another matter was that we dismissing.
The only
We don't want to. That is the view now. That you join and file and implement application. We don't want to add one more matter.
Kindly mention that in the order, Yamas.
Present British Article 32 of the Constitution is not entertained as other similar
बस बस
proceedings are pending before this court. However, it will be open for the petitioner to move an appropriate application
ये
for
मोबाइल को
implementing the
वाईफाई से
present
चलने लगा
proceedings.
एक्चुअली
It's
में
been
लाइव कर
considered
दिया
in
है
accordance
जियो
with
फाई
law
वाला
and its own merits.
ओम प्रकाश साहू जी आपका स्वागत है
Okay. You are for the
Petitioner.
use for the state.
For the judge department.
You are appealing for the state, no?
No, for judge department.
Then you have already allowed it.
That's similar order.
Who is for the state? Where is that Miss Gonzalez? Who is that?
Monica Gosai.
Monica?
Gosai.
Gosai.
Monica Gosai.
Just call her. Then interpret in terms of same judgment.
Same judgment. You granted.
टीजीटी कितना नंबर पे है बस वही है
So and so. The council.
थोड़ी देर की बात है
For number 3.
Is for number 3.
Judge.
Please, Monica so and so. Accept service of notice on behalf of response number
1
and 2.
1 at the request of the court. As civilian appeals are allowed by this court. Next. Having heard the letter counsel respective parties, and considering the fact that with respect to the very acquisition and the notification is under section 4 issued on 9/4/2007. This court has modified the interim common judgment in order passed by the High Court and has held that ये वही करो enhance the compensation at the rate of which 22 lakhs per acre. Isn't the interim judgment in order passed by the High Court is required to be modified accordingly. While in paragraph 10, in the case of Jaspal Singh and others versus State of Haryana, Civil Appeals number 7516-7521 of 2022, it is observed held under case number 893. In view of the above and further reasons stated above, the present appeal is allowed in terms of the judgment and order passed in the case of Jaspal Singh Supra. Interim judgment and order passed by the High Court is modified to their full extent, no process. Representation. So, who is for the petitioner?
My lord, I appear for the petition in item number 32, my lord.
Yes, counsel.
My lord, we are an integral part of the justice dispensation system, my lord. The facility which is being provided elsewhere is not being provided in the Honorable Supreme Court of India, my lord. There was some incident where the untoward incident had taken place. Some of them have lost their life and some of them have not been provided or have been denied, despite the fact that there was the ambulance, everything was.
something, you give one copy to the registry. Secretary General will consider it.
Very well. I am grateful, my lord. I am grateful.
That a copy of the repetition be served upon the Secretary General of the Supreme Court of India, so that we can get further necessary instruction in the matter. Upon 9 January.
I am grateful, my lord.
Please, Your Lordship. In this case, assessment order has been passed on the report which was received just 2 days before the.
Maybe you file a essay.
Lordship, I do not have a copy of the assessment, that report. That entire report has been the basis of the.
Otherwise, this can be a ground before the appellate authority.
But Lordship, how I will raise an objection when I don't know the contents of the report?
Okay, then you are, whatever you are saying, you can ask before the IJT.
But Lordship, the difficulty is that if my lord can direct that the appellate authority, then the appellate authority will consider my objection. Otherwise, appellate authority.
Actually, appellate authority will consider all objections.
Lordship, I do.
On merits of the assessment order can be agitated before the first appellate authority. Yes, next.
34 plus 79.
सभी लोग ध्यान दीजिएगा,
Matches are doing that.
मैटर खत्म हो गया, वेडनेसडे को डेट मिल गया है, ऑफ करते हैं, ठीक है।